In this video, I am going to show you how to add every NFC card to Apple Wallet. For this, you need to follow these steps. Step number 1. Check compatibility. Ensure that your NFC card is compatible with Apple Wallet. Not all cards can be added due to security or technical constraints. Step number 2. Open Wallet app. Launch the Wallet app on your iPhone. Step number 3. Tap the plus button. Look for the plus button, usually located in the top right corner of the Wallet app. Step number 4. Scan or enter card details. Use your iPhone's camera to scan the NFC card or manually enter the card details if scanning is not an option. Step number 5. Follow on-screen instructions. Follow the prompt provided by the Wallet app to complete the card addition process. You may need to verify your identity or enter additional information. Step number 6. Agree to terms. Read, review and agree to any terms and conditions present during the card addition process. Step number 7. Verify card addition. After adding the card, verify that it appears correctly in your Apple Wallet. Step number 8. Test transactions. Test the NFC functionality by using the added cards for transactions at supported terminals. So that's all for this video. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more this type of content. Thank you so much for watching.